How to remove email address on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can recover email address on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to recover your email address on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application like this. And once you launch the Facebook app, what you need to do is you need to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Then tap on this gear icon that you can find here in order to come to the settings and privacy page. Now you want to tap the meta icon in order to come to account center. And as you do that, what you want to do here is simply go to personal details. Then go to contact info. From here onwards, select your email address, select Facebook, and then you can just choose to select the option called delete from Facebook. After you do this email address will get successfully deleted from Facebook, and you can choose to add another one if you like. This way you can delete email address from Facebook. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.